Welcome to the Blueprint Solutions video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to activate the Heidi Health integration, and if needed, how to activate a 30-day trial of the Together plan through Heidi Health. To begin, click the Setup menu on the left toolbar. Select Heidi Health and enable the integration. When ready, click Yes on the privacy notice. The help tip will inform you on granting your users access to the Use Heidi Health privilege and directing them to the patient's journal to launch their first Heidi Health session. Click OK and navigate to the User Administration section of the Setup menu and click Users. By right-clicking on a user account and selecting Edit Privileges, you can search for the Heidi Health privilege. Under the Advanced section, grant the user access by clicking on that privilege and selecting Update. Have the user close and reopen their blueprint and navigate to a patient's journal to launch their first Heidi Health session. You'll see the ability to launch a Heidi Health session from a few places within the user interface. With a patient selected, you can navigate to the Patient drop-down menu, launch Heidi Health. From the schedule, you can navigate to an appointment on your calendar, right-click, create a linked Heidi Health entry. Within the patient file, you can also navigate to the audiology screen and create a new Heidi Health entry, as well as the patient's journal. Launch Heidi Health will be available in the bottom right-hand corner. Choose what journal entry type you would like your entry to be categorized as. Select your entry date and start entry. You'll be prompted to set up your Heidi Health widget in a web browser. Click Continue in a new window. If you're a new user to Heidi Health and would like to start a trial, create an account now. Enter your contact information here. Selecting your specialty will assist with the creation of your templates within your Heidi Health account later on. Ensure you've selected the correct country, and then agree to abide by the usage policy and terms of use. Click Join for free. Within your email inbox, look for the code sent by the Heidi Health platform. You may need to check your junk mail as well. Enter the code under the Confirm Code screen. And verify your email. Set up your password and confirm your password, clicking Continue. Read and accept the policies and click Continue. Please proceed with starting your 30-day free trial of the Heidi Together plan, which is the plan that's required for the integration. No payment method is required prior to starting your trial. You'll receive a prompt that your integration is now connected. Click Use Heidi on your integration. Back in Blueprint OMS, launch your Heidi Health session again, start your entry, and a new window will open ready for you to start your recording sessions with your patients. You'll see patient contact information automatically transfers over from your Blueprint into your Heidi Health account, where you can simply click Start Visit to record your consultations. If I were in a consultation or a counseling session with a patient, Heidi Health would be listening to the recording, picking up the important pieces of the information within that conversation. And for this example, I'll just do a mock recording quickly. When done recording, just click End Session. Select the note template you would like from the list and watch this powerful medical AI scribe produce your note. Explore the Heidi Health options such as changing the tone of the transcript for the audiologist's notes and or using the AI option to ask Heidi to do anything. When ready, click Push Note in the bottom right-hand corner, and the journal entry saved automatically into Blueprint OMS. Back in Blueprint, we'll see the journal entry pushed over into the patient's journal with today's date. For assistance with activating a trial of the Heidi Health integration, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.